Good morning, friends. I hope you all are doing well and welcome to another vlog. I'm super excited to spend the day with you all. I have some things to do around the house. I have to run some errands, and also I think I'm gonna do a little house project. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm in Target right now, and if you remember, I had to get a few photo frames for my bedroom, and I saw these frames right over there, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, I think I'm going to grab them. I can only see 6 of them, so hopefully they have in the back. So let's. These are the frames. Okay, so this is the exact wood finish I was looking for because my side table is closer to this one. So let's see if they have more because I need 9. Now we have 4, 6 only. They have really good baskets this time, but I do not need it, so I'm gonna skip on those. If you're looking for an accent chair, I feel like this one is really good. If you like my style, like wood and neutral, I feel like this one is perfect. And I also came for some pillows, but clearly they do not have much options. Yeah, I need a little bigger one, so yeah, we'll see if I can find something. Here they have some more, but again, not my color palette. And I have exact these pillows in my bedroom. This one is really great quality. I've been using it for months, so if you're looking for something like this, definitely check this one out from Target. Photo frames, what do you think? They placed an online order, so rest of the photo frames will be getting delivered in few days, and then we can put it up and see if the dimensions are correct.
Turn left onto George.
Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day and I decided to make granola. I feel like it's really good to have in hand some healthy snack. I used to make granola in my last apartment, and from the moment I've moved here to this house, I think I haven't made it. So I decided to make it today with you all, and I'm gonna write the exact ingredients and the directions in the description box down below. And I really like this recipe because it's totally customizable. You can use any nuts of your choice, and yeah, it's very versatile. So yeah, let's make granola right now. Okay, so here I have some cranberry and pumpkin seeds and a little bit of goji berry. You can add basically any nuts you want. You can also add chia seeds, hemp hearts. I think I'll just add hemp hearts and chia seeds later on. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for 15 minutes and then check on this. And now I'm gonna do some work on my laptop, and yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere
Guys, so I didn't get to vlog today because I was filming the summer looks video and I have so many good dresses to share with you. I think the video should be out. Yeah, it should be up. I'm gonna link that video here so that you can go ahead and have a look. And then I just have to finish, I think 6 more dresses, and then I'm gonna catch up with you pretty soon. Okay, so this is the wall which I was talking about to put floating shelves in, and I figured since we have a lot of space here between these 2 walls, even if I'm putting like a floating shelf, it won't be a problem. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna style it with different kitchen elements. I have few things in mind, so let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I am back from Ikea and I've got like few things, so let me do a little haul. And the main reason why I went to Ikea was to get these floating shelf, the lac ones, for this corner over here. And initially I wanted to make my own floating shelf, but then I was just browsing through internet one day and I found these. So I was like, okay, these are like great price and the length is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, we just went ahead and picked it up, and this is the color I got, and these are also available in black and white, but since I have like a lot of wooden accents, I went with this. And this is really great find for the price because this one does come with the mount as well, so you do not have to purchase it separately. So we got 2 of these, and I've also got this clothing rack which is called as Riga. I got this one because I do a lot of fashion videos. If you guys are on my Instagram, you guys know that. So I got this one for that. This one was like really great quality for the price. And the next thing I got is this plant over here, which I'm super excited. I feel like it's super nice. It has like 2 shades of green and it looks really good. To be honest, I do not need extra plants in my house because I already have plenty, but it's so hard to resist when you see a nice shade of green. So I just got this. It was just for $3 and I was just passing by and I saw this and I had to have it. So I have to repot it, so that's why I'm keeping it here. And this pot I got from Home Goods a few weeks back, so I feel like this one will be perfect inside. And the last thing I got is this basket. Again, I didn't know that they had these baskets. I was looking for baskets for a pretty long time. Baskets can get expensive, especially if the braiding is high quality, but this one again I found was really great for the price. And this one also has lining inside, so if you are like keeping a plant, so this will protect the basket. Otherwise sometimes the water seeps in down and then the base gets ruined. So I got 2 of these because I have 2 fiddle leaf fig and they are thriving and growing and they are really healthy. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna repot them so that they will be all nice and happy and they'll grow more faster. So yeah, we did that. And the agenda for right now is to place this floating shelf over there. It's been so long since I've done any, not so long, it's been a while since I've done any house project. So yeah, let's do this. First I'm gonna measure it and then see how the project goes.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way.
Okay, so first off, I'm gonna use this stud finder. This comes really handy because you need to know before drilling in where are the studs located. So I'm gonna use that. And also we had videos when the house was under construction, so by that we can totally see where is the stud and any electrical wiring or any sort of thing. So if you are somebody whose house is under construction, just make sure you have all the videos, because that's what we did and it came in really handy whenever we are doing any house projects. I don't know why we recorded that before, but yeah, now it's coming in like really handy. So highly recommend recording everything whatever you can. Okay, so wherever I found the stud, I've just wrote S so that we know before drilling. So for the measurement, we first measured this counter height from the floor, and then we measured from here to here. So what we have decided is the first floating shelf, because we have two, the first floating shelf will be on this height so that everything looks cohesive. Yeah, and the second will be slightly upper than this. So this is 10 inches and we are going to do it as 12 inches. So yeah, let's do it. This is done and I feel like this one looks pretty good as compared to the plain wall. And as you can see over here, I have a lot of pencil marking which we did, so I'll have to paint this so that it looks all nice and clean. And about styling the shelf, I have nothing as of now, so maybe I'll get some items and I will include the styling of the shelves in my next coming vlog. Another exciting purchase I did was this KitchenAid mixer. I'm so happy because I always wanted this because I love to cook, you guys know that, and I feel like having appliances which makes your work easy in kitchen comes really handy. So I got this and I specifically wanted this color. I don't know, it's rare or something, but it's always out of stock. So yeah, I found this at a great price. Also came with 2 attachments, and if you are Indian and you make a lot of chapatis, this will definitely come in handy because we used this mixture to make dough last night and it came out pretty good. So yeah, I feel like I'll be using this a lot. And another thing I got was pasta attachment, because apart from roti, the next thing we eat is a lot of pasta. And I thought it would be really fun to make homemade pasta. Once I made pasta by my hands, like I had no equipments and stuff, but it came out really good. So I thought if I'm like cooking for a lot of people, if I have attachment, that will make my work easy. So I got from Amazon. I haven't used this yet, but I'll be definitely using it. Maybe I'll vlog it in my next vlog, so stay tuned for that. But I really love this one, and this is like super heavy, so I'm gonna keep it there in the corner. Let me show you. So I'm gonna keep this there in the corner, and I think this one will look super cute, and I'm super excited to do a lot more baking and stuff. Alright you guys, so I'm done with painting and I did 2 coats of paint and now it looks all nice and clean. I do have to get items to style the shelves, and I'm pretty sure that is going to take a little while because I only buy things which I really love and enjoy. So yeah, we'll see about that, but I'm gonna share everything with you in next coming vlogs. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and I'm gonna end the vlog right here and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.